Hi guys, today we're going to be making a hat for Groovy Babe, and this is my first one. I made a small one, but it's kind of ugly, so never mind. Yeah, so this is my first one. Let me get the small one. It's right here, really next to me. Here. This is the small one. I tried to make it look like the same, but instead of crystals, I used hearts. So I'm going to be making a cool hat for Groovy Babe. So the materials, I'll tell you what the materials are. Scissors, a cup, beads, hot glue. And never use hot glue without a parent or somebody or your big sister, big brother, or big friend, okay? And you have to put the hot glue there, or then your table will be like sticky, and hot glue doesn't really come off really easily. So yeah, and be careful, okay? Just making sure. So here's my Groovy Babe, and this is actually a lipstick. See? Lipstick. Donut lipstick. Bag lipstick. Bag lipstick. Bag lipstick. Really cool. Yeah, so let's give her her purse back. And look, it fits right in her. Oops. Yeah, like that. It's good. Okay. So, should we get started? So, I get a cup. I cut it. Cut it. Cut it. It's really hard, especially for cups. Woof! Oh my gosh, it's so hard to cut them. Believe it or not, I'm telling the truth, okay? I'm so sorry you have to wait. It's just that these cups are not easy to cut. Okay, I got it. Okay, so I'm done cutting. It should be like that. And now we just have to get our cup and squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze. This is how my cup turned out. But the hat is not ready. We have this row. It's time for me to get started. Okay. So we hold it like that. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I'm trying my best to teach you guys how to do that. Okay? I really love having fun with people. It's so fun. Write in the comments if it's fun. So I'm ready. Wait, I did a little mistake. So yeah, it's like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Okay. So this is how it should turn out, but you can do like 6 or 7 layers, or you can do how much. But don't do like a lot, or then your hat will turn out a little cranky. And I don't want you to get upset, so please listen. Don't do a lot of layers, okay? So guys, look. This is how it keeps turning on. Oh, and first I just forgot. So, guys, first, what I did is I grabbed like the rope, and in the first step, I just hold it like that, and then I kept like doing that, and when you get here, you have to skip like 1, and then do the same thing. So you should get it. So look, see, I'm doing this forward and then back, forward and then back, forward. See, I am in the tail, see? And that means it's time for me to skip 1, like this. See? And then I skip 2, like this. Oops, that was 3, 2. And then I keep doing 1 and 1. So you get it, okay? I think I'm almost done. It's a lot of layers already. No, not almost done. La 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 la. I just have to do your time. I'll just have to keep doing. Oh, sorry. So now we cut the bottom. And tie it. I'm going to use hot glue instead. And remember, hot glue is really hot. That's why it's called hot glue. It's almost like a volcano, but not that hot. Make sure, be careful, okay? Let it dry for 20 seconds. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wait, are you counting with me? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, let's see. Yep, it's dry. So now, the coolest part is I'm going to use Groovy Babes. See, it says OMG. It's really white so you can't see. OMG, that means it's groovy, babes. And I'm going to brush and brush and brush and brush and brush. Brush and brush and brush and brush and brush. So I brushed it, and this is how it turned out. Now we're gonna decorate it. Okay, wait, can I stop saying let's get started? It's kind of creepy already. Hot glue. Oops, I'm sorry. And I will grab this bead and I will put it like this. Oh, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. So, I have blue crystals, silver crystals, and red crystals. Now, which one should we use? Well, I think we should use... Let's use the white now. Okay. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Okay. Let's use hot glue, hot glue, hot glue. Hot glue, you go here. This is your spot. 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 Should we continue? Continue. I got a little crazy. And I have earrings. So, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Crystals are so fun! I got a little crazy. Okay. Well, I'm doing a pattern. Silver, blue, silver, blue, silver, blue. But if there was not enough, that's why I got the red ones. That was creepy, but that's okay. And now, oh my gosh, no more silver. Well, that's okay. We still have blue. 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 Yeah. So this is our hat, but that's not it. That's not much details. We need cool, awesome, fantastic, chedevres details. So I'm going to use these. I'm only going to use these ones, the light ones. So I'm going to get started with my work so I can earn money. I just have a song in my mouth. I can just sing however I want. I just have a song in my mouth. I just have something in my mouth to say. Okay, that was a little carried away, but that's okay. Do you forgive me? Please! Woo! We still have... Well, guys, actually... time to say bye-bye. But first, we have to test it on Groovy Babe, and Groovy Babe will tell us, does she like the hat or does she not? When a Groovy Babe. Wait, okay, the